Welcome to this tutorial on using SDK packages in Flotiq. SDK, Software Development Kit, packages are pre-built libraries that developers can use to simplify the process of integrating Flotiq with their applications. In this tutorial, I'll explain what SDK packages are, how to use them, and the benefits of using them. Step 1. Understand what SDK packages are. SDK packages are pre-built libraries that contain code and functions that can be used to integrate Flotiq with your application. These packages are designed to make it easier for developers to work with Flotiq by providing pre-built code that can be easily incorporated into their projects. Step 2. Find the SDK package that's right for you. Flotiq offers a range of SDK packages that are tailored to different programming languages and frameworks. To find the SDK package that's right for you, simply open your Flotiq dashboard and navigate to the SDK packages section. Here, you'll find a list of available packages. Currently supported generators are C# Client, Go Client, Java Client, Node Client, PHP Client, Python Client, Angular Client, Postman Collection. These packages are automatically generated every time you modify your content type definitions, just like your API documentation. Step 3. Install the SDK package. Once you've found the SDK package that's right for you, the next step is to install it. Installation instructions will vary depending on the package and the programming language you're using. However, most SDK packages can be easily installed using package managers such as NPM or Composer. Step 4. Use the SDK package in your code. Once you've installed the SDK package, you can start using it in your code. Simply import the package into your project and start using the provided functions and methods to interact with Flotiq. You can generate server libraries or clients for other languages. If you need more control over how the packages are generated, or if you'd like to generate a server package instead, it's fairly easy to do using OpenAPI Generator. Flotiq always provides your up-to-date API definition in an OpenAPI 3.0 compatible schema, read, How to find your Flotiq OpenAPI schema. This will install the OpenAPI generator that will allow you to generate more packages. List of supported generators is mentioned here. Parameters description. Name of framework/language you want to generate package for, X TypeScript Angular. Path _to_open_API_schema_JSON, path to generated OpenAPI schema file. Output_path, specify where you want to output your generated package. Use Swagger Editor to generate server and client libraries. Alternatively, you can go to Swagger Editor, paste the contents of your OpenAPI schema.json file there, and generate a package that you are interested in. There are several benefits to using SDK packages when working with Flotiq. Firstly, they can save time and effort by providing pre-built code that can be easily incorporated into your projects. This can help speed up development and reduce the risk of errors. Additionally, SDK packages are designed to be highly optimized and efficient, which can help improve the performance of your application.